Need to make a video? But getting started is such a hassle. So many options, so much time. HeyGen? Let's see what this is all about. Setting up an account is a breeze. Now, let's create a video. HeyGen has tons of features, but for now, let's try an AI avatar video. Ready to go viral? Just follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose avatar. Step 2, paste your message here and let HeyGen bring it to life. Step 3, assets. Drag and drop your logo, images, or even videos to add your brand flair. HeyGen takes care of the rest. Your video will be ready in no time. Visit heygen.com and see what you can create today. Visit Leaveit2AI.com for more tools. Have a good day.